Hello YouTube, here we are down at Malice Vex test track. James Brooks here, just helped me fix my GoPro and put it all back up, hooked up to my phone. I turned the damn settings off and I have no top screen, so it's really hard to do. So James, you're a legend. Alright, let's rip a pack, see how this new drone flies. I've been dying to show you. This is without video stabilization as well. Well, you two. Yuck. Ah, real soury acidy. Ah. Oh, the tree's yuck. Ah. See, shit I do for yous, licking my GoPro screen. But yeah, turns out your VTX works a lot better when you put your pigtail on. Mine decided to come off. Yeah! That was a fun pack. Poor Jay doing the walk of shame. His quad's in a tree. But got a couple of little packs. Hopefully get some more later after I go charge these batteries, and we'll make a clip. Hope to see you then, YouTube. Cheers. Like my homemade Helicule, this is what I'm testing. See that twitch, YouTube? That was me hearing my mate's quad crash into the bridge. And now I'm looking for it for him. And there it is. Just on top of the left-hand side of the bridge, on top of the pillar. What an odd spot to land. Oh. Well, now back to some flying. I thought I'd do a range test of a antenna that I made myself. So I thought, yeah, alright, this is a nice straight line. Let's head down here. I was like, oh, this is perfect. Look at this. Clear, perfect reception. Awesome. Crap, can't see a damn thing. Better disarm. Bit late. Locked myself out of my damn car. Lucky I know how to open my boot without a key. Yeah, I have a Patreon now. Stuff like that would come in handy right now. Seeing how I've broken this damn GoPro. Broke this damn GoPro mount. That's the antenna from today. I'm through about 20 props since yesterday. I'm just not having luck. I keep breaking everything. But thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day. Cheers.